Hey guys, welcome to MADHU'S Culinary Classic. Today's recipe is yummy and super tasty potato balls. Let's get started. Things required are potatoes, maida and cornflour, red chili powder, salt, chaat masala, breadcrumbs, cheese spread, Italian seasoning. In a bowl, I have taken boiled and smashed potatoes, adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as per the taste. Now I am adding Italian seasoning. Mix it well. I am adding 1 full teaspoon of cheese spread. You can use grated cheese, but this step is totally optional. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of maida, half tablespoon of cornflour, and mixing it and making it as a dough. From the dough, I make small balls. For the first coating, we are going to roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now for the second coating, I have just mixed maida and water. I am going to coat it well. Again, roll it in the breadcrumbs. Heat the oil. Now at a medium flame, we are going to fry the potato balls. Fry the balls until it turns golden brown. Now our yummy and super tasty potato balls ready to serve. For more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.